Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Culture Trip app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Culture Trip is a travel and lifestyle app designed to help users discover unique destinations, cultural experiences, food spots, and accommodations worldwide. The app combines travel booking options with editorial-style content created by local experts, offering guides, itineraries, and recommendations that go beyond typical tourist attractions. Users can explore curated travel ideas, book hotels directly within the app, and save personalized trip plans for future use. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Culture Trip's engaging articles, unique recommendations, and user-friendly design that makes trip planning more inspiring. The content feels authentic and often highlights hidden gems that aren't found on larger booking platforms. The ability to both get inspired and book accommodations in one place adds convenience for travelers. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional glitches, slow loading times, and a limited range of booking options compared to bigger travel apps like Booking.com or Expedia. While its content is inspirational, those seeking purely budget-focused travel deals might find fewer options. Additionally, some destinations may have less coverage, making it less useful for every type of trip. In summary, the Culture Trip app may be worth using if you're looking for authentic travel inspiration, cultural guides, and easy access to unique recommendations while planning your trips. However, if you prioritize wide booking choices, budget deals, or purely functional planning tools, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.